Morning. Today is day 123. As you can see, we are totally caught off guard by the Laos winter. It's gonna be 12 degrees Celsius at the coolest between today and tomorrow. Yeah, so we just dig out whatever hiking attire we have in the van, right, and we put them on. So we got our hiking pants. She's just gonna walk around in her comforter the whole day also. Yeah, so wish us luck, man. Alright, so we are at the next coffee place. Yeah, so this region we are at, right, is called Loband Plateau lah. And there's a lot of coffee farm around this region because yeah, it is on a very fertile volcanic soil. Yeah, so far our coffee experience has been very good lah. So we are very hopeful. Okay, we are at this cafe now with a lot of old school decoration and architecture lah. So let's go. Alright, so today is gonna be a relaxing day. We're just gonna continue our drive along this loop east of Pasig. It's called the Tad Loband loop. Yeah, because the most popular place along this loop is this village called Tad Loband village. Okay, so before we reach the end of the day, okay, we are gonna go to another coffee place. Yeah, because we are on Loband Plateau region now. Yeah, where all the good coffee farms and fertile volcanic soil is at. So yeah, we're gonna have many coffee stops along the way. Okay, let's go. Morning, today is day 124 and we are leaving from our very cute wooden hut accommodation. Okay, as you can see, it's quite cool. See the walls, right? There are holes here similar to the floors. Yeah, so this place is not well insulated, so you get to experience the coolness of the environment. Okay, and good thing is it comes with a bug net and very thick, comfortable. Yeah, so we really enjoyed the night here. Okay, so right now we're trying to head to a waterfall, okay, and probably see if we can get any coffee making experience. Okay, and the outside, okay, is quite cool also. You can see there are chicken, there are farms here so there's some social enterprise work that's being gone. It's still in the process of making. There's like cooking local Lao food with the Lao chef. Then you can make coffee, and they also sell very authentic Lao cuisine that takes like hours of preparation to make. Yeah, so yeah, we're probably gonna change accommodation today, and so we'll see about that lah. it's been a really nice walk. So at Tad Loband waterfall, there are many ways to enjoy the waterfall. You can walk on the sky bridge or zip line there for 20,000 kip to walk and 3,000 kip to zip line, or you can just walk on these tracks, yeah, at the bottom to view the waterfall, and at the top of the waterfall you can also walk on top of it. Yeah. So all the walking trails are unlabeled, but they are there, and it's not that difficult to find it. So just use like Google Map in satellite view and you should get a clue of how to get here, because we came here clueless as well. Yeah. Got the chef in the house. When you wanna do wild camping but can't find any camping spot, this is what happens here.